I'm just living my life. I ain't got time for none. Bro, if you don't trust me, you don't. But like, I'm telling you, bro. I'm not
But
this.
but do I not have a reason to be like
Yes,
this? Do I not?
you do, bro. Yeah, but I'm like I told you, bro. If you wanna believe it, you believe it. But I'm not this person anymore. You know, I'm just in my line. Like, I don't really care about people, bro. I don't care about people anymore. You feel me? So, I don't care about people. I don't care about nobody, bro. Today. So we're gonna take that last chance, bro. Right? Oh my God, just like that. Do you know this is mean and rude, bro?
This freaking point. I don't know. I don't know.
That's good.
There's nothing stopping me from doing this. It's not like I don't be home. Like, it's not like I don't have a car. It's not like I really, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, if I really wanted to, I would, because nothing's stopping me. The only thing that is stopping me is you, because
You know,
like,
no, bro. Because you still think that I'm the same person, but I'm not. As you can see, bro, you see, I'm still in my lane. I don't even get on people's business. Like, I don't get on people's business.
You literally stopped going out at the end of December. That was like a couple weeks ago.
Which is, yeah, because before, I couldn't stay home. I always want to be out. You feel me? I always want to be in a bad German, so now I don't do it no more. You feel me? Like, everything has changed, yo. Everything has changed. Like, I see people see me. I say hi to people say hi to me. You know, but it's not the same anymore.